Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can speed hack your deals when it comes to running a business. So, what are the two things you need to look at? First of all, you need to look at where your footfall. So, when you're selling the most products, what days are you making the most money? Okay, you need to know which days of the week you are struggling on and which days you are doing really well on. Because what you want to do is, rather than having people coming in like this, what you want is steady flow throughout the week. So what you want to do is you find the days when you are not selling products as much as you would normally, when you're not getting as much footfall in your stores or in your restaurant, whatever business you've got. And what you want to do is you want to choose those days for the days that you want to run your deals. So what should you look into? What should you look into when it comes to you actually selecting the products for your deals? So look at your stock. Which stock moves, which stock doesn't move. If there's stock that doesn't move very well, that's perfect to put up as a deal, because when you've got stock that doesn't move, you want stock that's going to move all the time, right? You do not want stuff that's going to be all over the place. But even putting up stock that you don't sell as much of as a deal, that's really, really good, because you're then at least getting rid of it. And if it's stuff like perishables, that is a really, really good thing for your business, because that way you're not going to have like bananas going all horrible and crushed and nasty in the corner with flies and all sorts of other horrible things exploding around it. So when it comes down to it, looking into the time when people come into the store, you want things to run as smooth as possible all the way through the week, because that takes the pressure. The thing is, people will only come into your business. They won't come every single day. They might do, but that's very rare. So what you want to do is you want to try and balance it out and get people in with deals on the days when you don't have as much footfall and you're not selling as many products. Because let's say you run a store, you want people to come in, you want them to be buying the products on the day when you bring them in with a deal. And what you're doing then is you're creating an easy flow, because your staff aren't going to have certain days when they're really, really stressed out. You will have more time when your staff are actually not calling in sick because they just don't want to handle all of the footfall on the really, really busy days. So what you're doing is you're actually creating a nice balance in your business. Anyway, so those are the two things you really need to look at. You need to look at which days of the week you've got the most customers. So you want to use the days when you've got much less in terms of traffic to your business, and they're the days you want to run your deals on, and you want to run the deals on things that just aren't selling. So even if it's just something to get rid of a product that is really, really bad and it's harming you, you can put out a deal, because if you put like adverts out on Facebook, things like that, you can get people to come in and take those products off your hands, and at least you'll make something back from them. Even if you have to sell them at a loss, just get rid of them and make sure you're getting product that is going to sell. And that's really, really good, because then you'll be able to try out new products as well. Let's say you have a really, really good supplier. We've got stores like Booker in the UK. When you've got people who are really, really good suppliers, you can try new products out, and you can actually use that space that was being used by a product that wouldn't sell to try your new products. So that's really, really good. And of course, if there's new products, you can use those on the days as well. So for example, you can get people to come in on those days when you don't have a lot of traffic normally, because you can run a deal with the new product, so they're getting a sample of stuff from your company. So like integrating all of this stuff together, you can run really, really successful business. Anyway, hope this helps. Bye.